Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whichever time it may be that you come to my channel and come across this video. I want to say thank you for watching. Please share. It may not be for you, it could be for someone you know. I'm asking the question today: who can you run to? Who is it that you have in your circle that you can run to at your most vulnerable moments and be totally transparent and feel safe? I remember my daddy telling me once, "Hon, if you have one true friend in your life, you're blessed." And you know, a lot of times you hear a lot of young people like to introduce almost everybody that they meet. This is my best friend, this is my best friend. But who can you run to when you need somebody to just sit and listen? Who can you run to when you need somebody to just hug you and say it's going to be okay? Who can you run to when everyone else has been running to you? I am Janie Deadweiler, your victory coach, Victoria's Intervention, carefully training on restoring yourself, yes. Until next time, peace and blessings. Thank you for watching.